Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have just a little bit behind my regular Ipsy Glam bag. Let's get into this and let's talk price changes. We have all, if you belong to Ipsy, hopefully you got it, have just received an email that let us know that their prices are going up. This is the original OG Glam bag. It is going up to $14. The BoxyCharm box is going up to $30 and the Ipsy Icon is going up to $60. That's kind of where they've been in my head anyway, because they add that $2 shipping and handling, but now I imagine that will be on top of the new number. So they're all going up a couple of dollars. But if you are new to Ipsy, this is the original Glam bag. Inside you will have 5 products. You'll have a cute little bag that they come with. They say that they will be deluxe samples. Sometimes we do get full-size products though, especially brushes, sometimes nail polishes, lippies, that kind of thing. But it is fun to get some full-size products periodically. And you do have some choice. Even with the original Ipsy Glam bag, you will go in, each month you can go in and pick one of your products that will be in your Glam bag. This is a cute bag. This is very pink. Was this the November bag? Hold on, let me see if I can find out. I have Mr. iPad up here to give us all the information. It's hard to believe that a November bag would have been a bright pink, although I love this. My mother is gonna love this. She loves pink things, and it's quilted and soft and fuzzy. It's really nice, and it can be a wristlet. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's very nice. Perfect timing. This is December 1st, and I continually forget that now with our BoxyCharm boxes, we actually make our choices on the 1st. Forever. We have done it on the 2nd, and now I never think of it on the 1st. And because I am taping, it's time. So I just got on. This is fun. Let's choose my products, and this will give you guys a little insight. So with the BoxyCharm, you will have 5 full-size products. This has nothing to do with the bag we're doing. I'm going completely off script now. With the BoxyCharm, you will have 5 full-size products. They pick 2, you pick 3. I also get the Boost, which on non-icon months comes in the BoxyCharm. My first choice products are, I can choose an Ace Beauté 3-piece face brush set, a Persona Cosmetics eyeliner duo in brown and plum, an Anastasia Beverly Hills cream bronzer in Sunkissed. I am not great with cream bronzers. A NARS Cosmetics Air Matte lip color in Lose Control. We got those in our FabFitFun boxes. I chose it in Shag. I don't love, it feels really nice when it goes on. It never dries down, so it stays, the feel of it is very nice, but I felt on me, and granted, I am probably older than a lot of you, it wandered. So I don't think I'd choose that again unless it was for a gift. The by Rosie Jane Travel Spray, and the Femme Camellia Elixir Oil Antioxidants. Ooh. That is a hard decision. You know what? After that whole story about the NARS, I'm going to get it because the color sounds perfect for my daughter. So I went in and I pushed the little button and lit up the NARS, and it made the rest of it go dark, but that's how you do your choice. So we get to choose 2 more. My second choice, I can choose the TYS Beauty Final Treat and Clear Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray, the Half-Caked Double Dipped Matte Bronzer in Siesta Key, and it looks like it's 2 bronzers. Can you guys see that? Those are the 6 choices I have. Alamar Cosmetics Brow Styler in Cafecito. The Ciate London Extraordinary Brightening Under Eye Perfector in Light. I am intrigued. The Dermalect Flawless Bakuchiol Treatment. And the Selfless by Hyram Mandelic Acid and Rice Bran Gentle Exfoliating Serum. I'm going to go with that Ciate London Extraordinary Brightening Under Eye Perfector. And our third product, also 6 choices. We have the Makeup of the Day Cosmetics Eye Brush Set. That is 5 brushes to do your eyes with. The IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. An Element Beauty, I don't think I've ever heard of that, dual-ended liquid lipstick and lip gloss in Ibiza. A Pear Nova Eye Duo Stick and Eyeliner in Rose Quartz. It looks kind of pretty. The Half-Caked Double Dipper Color Duo in Girls Tour. Or a Lucky Chick lip scrub. So that is what those look like. I think I'm going to try that Pear Nova Eye Duo Stick and Eyeliner in Rose Quartz. Oh, or should I get the IGK First Class Charcoal? I love, if you guys saw this, I got a lot of these. The Vegamore Dry Shampoo. I use it almost exclusively. I have used the IGK First Class Charcoal second. It will take the oil right out of your hair. So if you like that, that's a good choice. But I have so many of these and I love it. For my beauty boost, they chose for me the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius Conditioning Brow Serum. I kind of like the idea of that. I could change it if I wanted to a Dr. Loretta Tightening Detox Mask, a Kate Somerville Daily Deflector Mineral Sunscreen with an SPF 30, an Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo, and these would all be full sizes, a Verso Skin Superfacial Serum, or a Kate Somerville KX Actives Concentrate Biomimicking Peptides Serum. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine, what they chose for me, the Anastasia Brow Genius, because my brows need some genius. So that is how we do our choices. This is for my BoxyCharm box. Not what I'm actually unboxing right now, but this is for my BoxyCharm box. It is 5 full-size products. They pick 2. I choose 3 like you just saw me do. Plus, I do the boost. So if you've been giving BoxyCharm any thought, that's the kind of things we're choosing from. Okay, back to the reason we are here, which is the original Ipsy Glam bag. We have our paperwork, and it says November 2023, the glammiest show on earth. This is what the front looks like, and on the inside, it is not giving me my information. So good we have Mr. iPad. We can look everything up that we want to know. I just got back into my old November one, and it does show those bags. You could have gotten pink or purple, and I got pink. Now to the goodies. Outside the bag, I have a brush. As you know, I get to pick something, and I'll always pick brushes, and this is what I chose. Ooh, it's super soft. It is from Formula Z. I don't think I've ever heard of them. It feels really, really soft. This is a great size for if you do like a little highlighting on the tip of your nose. You can highlight over here. I may highlight a little more than that when I do it, but this feels very nice. And they say it is a transformation brush. Has a $12 value, and it says it's time to introduce your favorite highlighters to this brush. It helps you glow on the go perfectly. No patchiness involved by distributing the perfect dusting of product over your skin. Yeah, it's very soft, and that is the perfect job for it. Okay, next out we have the Sutra Heat Guard Leave-In Cream. That is what it looks like. It's a nice deluxe size sample. It says flyaways frizz as if. This rich leave-in treatment is here to make sure your hair is hydrated and smooth by infusing your strands with plenty of moisture and nutrition. It also is on a serious mission to help repair the damage caused by heat styling so your hair can look happy and healthy. So that was fun to try. I do have hair products that I love, but I love to set these aside for like traveling and that kind of thing. Next out we have Bleu in Argent. So I'm thinking maybe a little lippy. Let's check. It is not a lippy. It is an eyeshadow stick in Lauren. Ooh, she's dark. Oops, it's so cold that I've got my little hands covered up. This winter is going to be interesting. If it's going to end up, oh, that's very pretty. If it's going to end up really cold or really hot, day to day, we just don't know. I have been trying to get better with these. On days when I'm not taping videos and I'm just living my life casually, I got a, I think Laura Mercier one, and then I have some from Thrive Cosmetics that I love. Those are all very light. This one will be good if I feel like I'm getting braver and I want to start working some dark into the crease because I have a hooded eye and it makes your eye look more open. This will be perfect to play with that. It is a 1 gram deluxe mini, and it says with just one swipe, this easy to use formula delivers long lasting caramel shimmer without the hassle of powder, shadow, fallout. I don't generally have that. The creamy texture glides on smoothly and is easy to blend, allowing you to create a seamless and flawless eye makeup look. Plus, the retractable design ensures there's no mess or need for sharpening. And this is the Bleu in Argent No Fallout Eyeshadow Stick in Lauren. That color is really pretty. Next out, I have a 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. That is what that looks like. Just so cute. I love that they look just like the big ones, but tiny. That is so stinking adorable. And it says, get set for budge-proof brows. This invisible shaping and setting gel holds brow hairs in place and locks in your look. It has 24-hour staying powder. It is flake-free, quick to dry, and easy to apply. Let's go ahead and open it up. That is what it looks like. That is a big brush. Oh, it's flat. Oh, I love that. It's flat, so it will be easy to apply, but that is a big brush for brow work. I mean, I'm not saying I won't use it. I absolutely will. Last out, we have, I think I have this, or I've already given away. I'm not going to open this and swatch it. It is from V Cosmetic, and it is the pressed shimmer powder. That is so pretty, but I feel like I have just recently had this. Let's see what the paperwork says. It says online that this is the V Cosmetic Spotlight Strobing Powder and Illuminator in Autumn, which is interesting because on the back it just says pressed shimmer powder. doesn't really matter. It's 2 grams, it's a deluxe mini, and it's a highlighter. And it says all eyes will be on your skin thanks to the sheer champagne illuminator. It's the perfect amount of glow, no sparkles in sight, and gives off a pearly lit from within radiance. Plus, you can use it as an eyeshadow, highlighter, or even on your body to give you an ethereal sheen. So those were my 5 products in my cute little, which was what everybody got, November Ipsy bag. That is so sweet and so soft. I got the V Cosmetic powder, the Belle and Argent eyeshadow stick, the Benefit brow gel. Would think 5 tiny little things I could pull this off. The Formula Z brush that was what I chose, and the Sutra leave-in conditioner. These were my 5 products to try. These are now $14 plus you'll pay $2 shipping. You get that and a cute little bag. I just think it's adorable. This is, I think, probably one of the best buys out there, especially for the money. It's $14, you get the bag, you get products to try. It's a $12 brush. Do I need a brush? No. Will I use it because I keep not cleaning mine? Yes. Yes, I will. As long as I keep getting new brushes. The stack I have of brushes to clean. We could do a whole video on that. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking time to be here. If you have any questions about the price changes, anything else that I did with the showing you how we do our choice in the beginning of this for the BoxyCharm box, let me know below. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. I will put a link down below that will take you over if you would like to check them out. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you taking the time, especially during this busy holiday season. I know you guys have a million things you could be doing. Have a great day. Go do them. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.